I am Chef Keerthi. Hi guys, I am Chef Keerthi, Executive Pastry Chef. Today I am going to make chocolate brownies. Guys, now I already make ready all the ingredients. You can see here sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, butter, whole almond, eggs. Now I am going to mix butter and sugar all together. So first of all I will put sugar. Now we are going to mix butter and sugar all together. I have already ready my small machine, so I am going to mix. Now I will add my eggs. Now I am going to mix with my spatula a little bit more because butter and sugar will not mix properly, so had better if you mix all ingredients. Okay, now I am going to mix cocoa powder and normal flour baking powder and almond nuts. Mixture already ready, so I am going to put now. Okay guys, now batter already ready. Now I am going to mix flour and cocoa powder and baking powder and almond nuts all together. Brownie is already ready. All together, all the items. So I am going to remove the machine. Then final, I will add 120 gram melted chocolate. So you can see the mixture, very nice, looking good. It's like it should be all straight, nicely all the corner and middle same, not middle is, don't put too much, so we will put same equal everywhere. Brownie ready, so I am going to put in the oven. Oven almost done, so I am going to put now. I already put in the oven. About the brownies, I am going to talk about the brownies a little bit more. You can learn from me a little bit more varieties of the brownies. So brownies, there is lot of recipes. Some recipes we can use more chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. Some people make white chocolate brownies. Some people make crispy brownies. Some people make like caramel brownies. It can be more varieties people can make. Brownies normally we use for the buffet, cake shop, cake base, especially cocktail party, glasses item. So many people use for the glasses item for the cocktail party special. And ganache we can sandwich small, like a sponge small we can make. Then we can put the ganache in the middle. We can use for buffet plus cocktail party. Okay guys, brownies already ready. So you can see now brownies. You can, if you want, you can sandwich with ganache, caramel, and you can sandwich with coffee flavor. If you want, you can sandwich with other any flavors like vanilla, chocolate, whatever. So now I am going to cut. When you cut, be careful because your celery is down. So I am going to cut and arrange nice way in that. I have now ready my plate. Okay guys, brownie is already ready. I arranged already. So I am going to put now little bit of cocoa powder. If you want, you can put powdered sugar, icy sugar. You can see I am going to put now cocoa powder. Okay guys, now already we make brownies, already we arrange delicious brownies we make. You can make your home. Our recipe you can find our, and don't forget subscribe us and like, comment and share, and don't forget next video I am Chef Keerthi.